Hey everyone, if Instagram filters aren't working on your Android device, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. Filters may not load properly if your connection is slow or unstable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off and try again. Next, restart the app and your phone. Close the app completely. Restart your device and check if the filters start working. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and install any available updates. If you're using an outdated version, some features may not work correctly. Now, clear Instagram's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary data that might be causing the issue. If filters are still missing or not working, check your camera permission. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, Instagram, Permissions, and make sure camera and microphone access are enabled. Another thing to try is switching to a different Instagram account. If filters work on another account but not yours, it could be a temporary issue with your profile. If none of these work, log out and log back in. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Log Out, then sign back in and try using filters again. Finally, Instagram may be experiencing server issue. Visit a site like Down Detector to check if others are reporting the same problem. If it's a server-side issue, you'll have to wait for Instagram to fix it. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you in the next one.